Did you see that? I absolutely love my dogs, but they are not making this easy. So what I'm going to show you in this video is another product that I've come across that I want to try to help me with the dog urine spots in the backyard. This is going to be my last ditch effort before I actually create an area back there and try to train them to go in that specific area. That can be a lot of work creating that in the backyard, so of course I want to exhaust any other options first. Along came CSpot Run. Now this is a product from Turf Perk that I stumbled on while I was on Amazon. So it sounds like the perfect solution. So basically the formulation has some unique microbes formula is what it says. Multiplies with regular watering to neutralize the dog urine spots and damage. Now it will not fix damaged spots, but it will help neutralize the urine going forward to prevent the spots. Deionized water, organic compounds, and non-pathogenic bacteria. Okay. I think within the organic compounds is some type of proprietary formula that is not laid out here on the label. But basically, simple. Hook it to the hose, spray it out. It's indicated that you would have to apply this product every 3 to 6 weeks, depending on the sex of your dogs, the number of dogs you have, the state of your lawn. So it's gonna vary for all of us. But I wanted to document whether it helps for me. And so that is what this video is about, and I hope it's helpful to you. Now, the very first thing I'm gonna do is clear out the existing spots that I have. That's gonna make it super easy for me to determine whether this product is working, because I'll be able to visually see whether there are new spots or not. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just pulling up all of the dead grass from the different areas in the backyard where the dogs typically pee. Now, the next step is gonna be to spray the product out on the lawn. The bottle says that the container will cover 5,000 square feet. My lawn is only about 1,700 square feet, which means I should be able to use this 2 to 3 more times. And once it's all sprayed out, it does indicate to lightly water it in for about 10 minutes. The product is down, sprayed out over the lawn. Now we wait. Let's give it 7 to 10 days and check out the results at that point. Let's take a look. Okay, here we are, day 7. Let's see what we got going on here. Let's check it out. All right, that spot there under the grill, that's one of the old spots that I dug out. Here we have some new lighter spots. And there's only one more area that I saw a spot, and it's very light. It's right there. Here again, those were the old ones that I dug out to mark. You can see where I've been messing around in there. Those are all old spots. Now they also go, that's also an old spot. We can look closely. You can see where I dug that out. The dogs also go in this area, and I didn't see anything over here. I also wanted to point out that I have 2 female dogs. One is a puppy, one is just over a year old, and they come out quite often. They come out to go at least 6 times a day, if not more. So in my opinion, this is a win. This is a win. And I still may try to get them to go in a specific area, but if this continues to work this way, makes my life easier. So my final thoughts, nothing is perfect, but this is really good. I will be using this stuff. Now, I will tell you that it says the bottle covers 5,000 square feet. I personally sprayed a little bit more in my 1,700 square feet, so I can get 2 uses out of that bottle based on how much I sprayed. I sprayed half of it for my backyard, and I don't know if that made a difference, but I'm gonna keep doing that. So hey, of course the link is going to be in the description if you want to give this product a try yourself.